Hello guys, this is TianChad here, or you can call me Tian-Chi in Chinese. So I've just received a Samsung unpack home kit from Samsung Malaysia. So I'm obviously doing an unpack video by using my BlackPink. It's black and it's pink. BlackPink black. Let's do it this way. See, I'm not sure what's inside yet, but let's see, something related to unpack. If only there's ASMR sound like this. Going just to just peel it off. I'm not a gentle kind of person. Plastic away and listen to the sound. Oh, I'm so gentle. Whoa. Okay, let me do this. It seems it can open from the front, so I'll just slide it away. Ah, wow, nice. Okay, peel off the white skin. Now you can see the word Galaxy Unpack, and we are good to go. We are the first one to see. Let's try to put an angle so that when I unbox, nothing will drop out. Is it like this? Oh, okay. Wow. Seems like a theater system. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. And let's see what we have. It seems like a speaker at the side, and we have this thing. Is it to pull out? I can pull out. I wish I have set another angle of camera so that you see what it is. I shall do it this way. Seems like to put my hand inside and open. And then there's a manual. Let's see what's behind. Oh, there are some gadget inside here. So this one is the LED light, I guess. Where's the switch on button? Wow. Okay, this one will be useful when you want to do selfie. Let me put it back here. And another one will be this, a tripod stick. I shall read the manual later. And this one will be, yes, a tripod with a Bluetooth trigger. As you can see or not? Or you might be focusing on my face. You can open the leg 3 sides, and you can extend, not extend, yeah, extend. So just like this. Tada, this height, and it's flexible, and the Bluetooth control will be somewhere here. Okay, so it says that Samsung Galaxy Unpacked Live Kit. Transform the Unpacked Live Kit into your own Galaxy Unpacked stage and meet the new Galaxy device. Step 1. Build my own Samsung Galaxy Unpacked stage. Do I build it? I just open wide. Okay, just put my mobile device on the stage and go on Samsung.com. So this one I just put it back. Oh, got magnet, you can hear the sound. Yeah, and this one can hold until like this. And perhaps I can just place my phone somewhere here, is it? Okay, yes. And it asked me to go to the website. Okay, I guess this will be sort of like, wow, home kit, very cool. And it's hidden with this LED light and the tripod, monopod, selfie sticks. Maybe I should just play the video, you know, the trailer. There we have it, just up on YouTube 1 day ago. 30 seconds for you to enjoy. Let's go. Okay. Stay tuned for Samsung Galaxy Unpack event on 5th of August, and this is TianChad here again, signing off. See ya next time. Bye!